Most of us believe that the human body naturally becomes weaker as time passes. For many people, getting older simply means declining health, weakness, and disease. And if any part of the body gets damaged for any reason, it is often assumed that it is permanently ruined. But this belief is simply a misunderstanding. The truth is that your body is constantly working to repair itself and keep itself healthy. This is a natural process that usually happens silently, without us ever noticing it. During this process, old or damaged cells are removed and replaced with new ones. Weak and worn-out tissues are continuously being replaced, and every system in your body is being supported with strength and vitality. Your skin, for example, renews itself roughly every month, shedding old layers and replacing them with fresh, healthy skin. The inner lining of your digestive system renews itself within just a few days, which is essential for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Red blood cells are replaced every few months, and your bones and entire skeletal system are constantly being rebuilt and repaired to maintain strength. In other words, your body never truly stops working. Even your brain continuously repair and regenerate cells and neurons. At the same time, your immune system is always fighting damaged cells and harmful microbes, while producing new immune cells and antibodies. This is what protects you from countless illnesses every single day. All of this is happening inside your body at every moment. And when you support your body with proper nutrition, such as vegetables, fruits, high-quality protein, adequate water, and natural foods, along with regular physical activity, quality sleep, and reduced stress, this natural repair process becomes even more efficient and powerful, keeping the body healthier for longer. However, the real problem in most cases is not aging itself. The real issue is that the body does not receive the essential nutrients it needs for proper repair. In this video, we will talk about 3 certain simple yet highly effective foods that can strongly support the body's natural repair system. Welcome, friends, to your channel Be Healthy Talks. Please press the subscribe button and turn on notifications. All this information is science-backed, and research references are provided in the description below. These foods are affordable, widely available, and supported by extensive scientific research. Yet most people either underestimate their importance or use them incorrectly. So let's take a closer look at these foods that can help you stay strong, energized, and youthful for longer. The first superfood is eggs, something many older adults mistakenly believe is harmful to their health. In reality, eggs are one of the best foods for body repair. Because of their complete nutrient profile, eggs are often used as a reference food, meaning other protein sources are compared to eggs. This is because protein is the foundation of the body's repair process. Protein is essential for muscles, organs, enzymes, hormones, and immune cells. Every single day, your body breaks down old or damaged proteins and replaces them with new ones. Research clearly shows that when protein intake is too low, tissue repair slows down significantly. And as we age, the body's need for protein actually increases. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids in forms that the body can fully use. That is why egg protein is considered highly bioavailable and easy to absorb. Many people eat only egg whites, but doing so removes nearly half of the egg's nutritional value. The yolk contains vitamins A, D, E, B12, and choline nutrients that benefit nearly every system in the body. When choline levels are low, problems such as fatty liver, cognitive decline, and nerve signaling issues can develop. This is because choline is required to produce acetylcholine, a key neurotransmitter involved in memory and muscle control. Eggs are one of the best natural sources of choline. Multiple studies show that they strongly support both brain and liver health. Eggs were once misunderstood due to older studies that suggested they raised cholesterol and increased heart disease risk. However, modern research, including reviews published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, shows that for healthy individuals, eating eggs does not increase the risk of heart disease. Your body actually produces cholesterol on its own to make hormones, cell membranes, and vitamin D. When you consume cholesterol through food, the liver automatically adjusts its own production. That is why eggs do not harm the body, but instead provide essential nutrients needed for repair and regulation. For this reason, older adults should absolutely include eggs in their regular diet. The second superfood is the banana. Bananas strongly support your nerves, muscles, and energy systems. They are one of the best natural sources of potassium. Yet many people overlook their value and consider them just another ordinary fruit. In reality, potassium is a critical mineral for the body. It regulates muscle contraction, nerve signal transmission, and heart rhythm. It also plays a key role in maintaining proper fluid balance in the body. When potassium intake is insufficient, symptoms such as muscle cramps, fatigue, weakness, and irregular heartbeat may occur. According to the CDC, a large percentage of adults fail to meet their daily potassium requirements, making this a widespread and serious nutritional issue. Bananas offer an easy and natural solution, providing steady, stress-free energy. The carbohydrates in bananas are easily converted into energy by the body. When eaten alone, bananas can sometimes raise blood sugar levels. However, when paired with protein or healthy fats, they help stabilize energy levels. This makes them ideal for morning energy, post-exercise muscle recovery, and preventing energy crashes throughout the day. For people with blood sugar concerns, slightly unripe bananas are a better option. Bananas are also an excellent source of prebiotic fiber, which feeds beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria strengthen digestion, improve mineral absorption, and support overall gut health. When your gut is healthy, it does more than just digest food. It actively supports the body's repair and regeneration systems, renewing cells and tissues. Bananas also help the body recover from daily physical and mental stress. When you include bananas in your daily diet, you naturally support muscle function, nerve health, and overall energy levels. At the same time, digestion and the gut microbiome become stronger. It may seem like a simple food, but its impact reaches the entire body. The third superfood is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt strengthens and repairs the digestive system and gut lining. If eggs provide the raw protein needed for repair, Greek yogurt helps ensure those nutrients are properly used by the body. This fermented food support a healthy gut microbiome, which consists of trillions of microorganisms that together weigh nearly as much as the human brain. Research shows that the gut microbiome regulates immune function, inflammation, nutrient absorption, and brain signaling. In fact, nearly 70% of the immune system is located in the gut. When gut balance is disrupted, symptoms such as fatigue, brain fog, digestive problems, inflammation, and weakened immunity appear. Greek yogurt contains probiotics, beneficial bacteria such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These bacteria strengthen the gut lining, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation. This is crucial because chronic inflammation slows the body's repair processes. The combination of protein and probiotics provides a powerful double benefit for recovery. Muscles and tissues both become stronger. Greek yogurt, which is thicker and more concentrated, is rich in protein, especially casein protein, which digests slowly and supports muscle maintenance and repair. This makes it particularly beneficial for older adults, people recovering from illness, and those healing after surgery. It is important to choose plain, unsweetened yogurt. Sweetened or flavored versions can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria. A healthy gut does more than improve digestion. It strengthens the body's overall health, resilience, and repair capacity. Now let's look at how these three natural superfoods, eggs, Greek yogurt, and bananas, work together. When combined, they amplify each other's benefits. Eggs provide the foundational protein required to repair muscles, organs, tissues, and cells. Greek yogurt improves nutrient absorption, regulate the immune system, and strengthen digestion and the gut microbiome. This reduces inflammation, improves digestion, and allows the body to extract maximum value from food. Bananas support nerve function, muscle performance, and energy balance. They provide steady energy without stress, support heart and muscle health through potassium, and help maintain proper electrolyte and fluid balance. When these three superfoods are consumed together, they form a powerful nutritional combination. They speed up tissue repair, reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and stabilize energy levels throughout the day. This is not a temporary diet trend. It is a natural, science-based, nutritional support system that reflects how the human body truly works, how it repairs itself, and how it builds new strength every single day. Thank you very much for visiting the channel and watching this video until the end. If you found it helpful, please like and share it. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. We will meet again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.